Have you ever posted something on social media, hit publish, and felt like you were shouting into the void? What if I told you that feeling could end and your social channels could become real growth engines rather than just noise? Hi, I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks, and in this video, we are going straight into 9 powerful social media marketing strategies built for 2025. The kind of strategies that move your brand from just present to unmissable. If you're ready to stop posting randomly and start growing with intention, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get moving. Strategy 1: Content marketing and storytelling. It used to be enough to simply post consistently, but in today's crowded feed, posting isn't what makes you stand out. Storytelling does. Content marketing isn't just sharing promotions, it's building trust by helping your audience become smarter through every piece of content. For example, instead of just saying, "We have the best product," imagine telling a story about a customer who thought they would never solve their problem and then how your product changed that. That's what brand like Dove did with their Real Beauty campaign. They didn't just sell soap, they started a conversation. How to apply it? Build a content calendar aligned with your customers' pain points and goals. Use analytics to find what resonates for topic, format, and tone. Repurpose smartly. You can use one blog post and convert it into Instagram carousel, to short video, to podcasting. Encourage your audience to share their stories too. That builds community, authenticity, and trust. Strategy 2: Influencer marketing and partnerships. Influencers aren't just for brand visibility anymore. When done right, they are a way to tap into micro communities who already trust your message, but don't fall for follower count alone. What matters is alignment, engagement, and authenticity. Think of brands like Gymshark working with fitness influencers who genuinely love the brand. That honesty builds loyalty, not just quick clicks. So, your checklist is as follows: choose influencers whose style and community match yours. Give them creative space. Don't just hand them a script. Consider long term collaborations, not one off posts. Use platforms, tools to track ROI, engagement, and convergence. Strategy 3: Community building and engagement. Posting content is one thing, building a community is another, and that's where the gold lies. A strong community means people actively participate, support one another, and become advocates for your brand. Take, for example, how Sephora built beauty inside forums, where users share tips and feel valued. That builds loyalty beyond the first sale. Your action plan is to engage with comments, messages, mentions. Show there's a real human behind the brand. Offer something exclusive to your community. Early access, live Q&A, insider content. Spark conversations. Polls, questions, prompts, user-generated contents. Feature your community members. That recognition builds trust and shareability. Strategy 4: Paid social media advertising. Organic reach is shrinking. Paid advertising is your ticket to precision. Scale and measure the results, but it's not just about throwing money at ads. It's about smart, data backed decisions. India's social ad spend is growing fast. Brands who layer creativity with targeting win. Your framework is like this: define a clear goal. You want to do brand awareness or lead generation or convergence. Decide whether A to B test creatives, headlines, and audience. Use retargeting for people who visited, people who engaged, people who almost converted. Tailor your ad format to the platform, like story ads for Instagram, carousel for Facebook, shorts for YouTube, etc. Strategy 5: video marketing, and live streaming. If you are still treating video as nice to have, it's time to upgrade. Video is now central, especially live streaming, behind the scenes, Q&A sessions, short form viral clips. In India and globally, short form video continues to dominate engagement. Best practices to follow. Hook your audience in the first 3 seconds. Use vertical format and subtitles as most people watch on mobile and often without sound. Schedule consistency. Think of your channel like a TV with regular episodes. Use live sessions to engage directly, answer questions, react to comments, show real time value. Strategy 6. Social commerce and shoppable posts. The smart move is not to make your audience leave the app. Social commerce lets users buy directly where they discover. Imagine a clothing brand on Instagram. They show a photo, you tap and buy in seconds. That conversion path is short and frictionless, and it works. So, your action steps are: set up your shop on Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, tag products in posts and stories, use user generated content to show real people using your products, optimize your mobile checkout, less steps, clear visuals, fast load. Strategy 7. User generated content or UGC campaigns. User generated content doesn't just save your content creation time, it creates authenticity. When people see someone like them using your brand, it raises your trust. Think of GoPro, whose marketing is mostly users filming their own adventures. That's trust and community in action. To leverage UGC, create a branded hashtag and campaign. Incentivize submissions, features, shoutouts, rewards. Ask permission, then reuse and amplify the best. Show your audience their content. Make them feel part of the story. Strategy 8. Social listening and reputation management. It's no longer enough to talk. You must listen. What are people saying about you, your competitors, your industry in 2025? Brands who monitor sentiment, act promptly, and integrate feedback will stand out. Key steps are like this: set up alerts for brand mentions, keywords, competitor mentions. Monitor sentiment, positive, negative, or neutral. Respond quickly. Show empathy. Fix issues promptly. Use insights to refine messaging, product offerings, and content strategy. Now, strategy 9: cross platform integration and omnichannel experience. Your audience isn't on just one platform, they move between Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. Your brand experience must feel consistent across every touchpoint. Brands like Nike execute campaigns that start on TikTok, continues on Instagram, and end on YouTube. And the message is the same. Your blueprint: build a core brand guideline, voice, tone, visuals, tailor content formats for each platform, but keep the core message consistent. Use tools to schedule, monitor, and integrate across channels. Track cross platform metrics. Are people moving from one channel to another? Where are they dropping off? Like this. Final takeaway: we have covered 9 powerful strategies, from storytelling content to community building, paid ads to omnichannel integration. None of these work in isolation. The magic happens when you weave them together into a unified system. Here's your challenge: pick 2 strategies from today that align with your business. Commit to playing them for the next 90 days. Measure results and refine. If you are serious about building your growth engine, not just another social page, join my free community at community.mayurnetworks.com to access free and premium courses, discussions, and a community of like minded entrepreneurs. Remember, consistent posting isn't enough. Smart strategic action is. If you got value from this video, hit like, comment below with which 2 strategies you will focus on, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I'm Mayur from Mayur Networks. See you inside the community. And until next time, make your social media count. Bye bye.